Hey guys, so let's make a lemon lavender pink Himalayan salt body scrub to keep that melanin nice and polished and glowy and exfoliated. So I have some pink Himalayan sea salt here. I have some lavender oil. I have some olive oil, organic. I have some chia seed oil. I have some rose hip seed oil. I have some marula oil. I have some lemons that I used. I just saved it for the peels, and I have my jar. Let's go. Alright, so I have about a half a cup of the Himalayan pink sea salt. I have about a teaspoon of grated lemon peel. I'm going to add enough oil. I'm gonna add maybe about a quarter cup and see where it takes me. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of the chia seed oil, about a teaspoon of that rosehip, about a teaspoon of that marula, and I'm just gonna see my consistency. You want like a wet, I like my scrubs like really wet. So this is good enough for me. And I love the fine grit because I feel like that exfoliates the best. So this is what I like. So just to finalize this, I'm gonna add about 10 drops of the lavender oil to scent it. And that lemon and lavender, oh my god, when you use this on your feet, your elbows, your knees, any dry spots on your body, and I'll do a little demo after so you guys can see how I use it. Alright guys, here is the finished product, and this works well. Like I said, any dry spots, your feet, I like to use it on my elbows, my knees, my feet, all over. Just those days where you feel like your skin needs, you know, a little extra care. Really nice lemon lavender honey. Alright guys, so in the shower what I do is I take a nice scoop of the body scrub and I just go target, do it in a circular motion. Just let that salt get the dead skin. And target my knees, and then you just rinse off. Skin is wet. I like to take my balm, get a nice amount, and just rub it in. And seal all that goodness in. That's it guys, very moisturizing.